You eat because you need energy. You sleep because your body needs repair. You blink to keep your eyes moist. But somewhere along the way, humans started pressing their faces together, sharing spit, and calling it love. Most animals don't do this. So why does almost every human culture do something this strange and treat it as one of the most intimate things two people can do? Kissing makes no obvious evolutionary sense. A single kiss transfers around 80 million bacteria between two people. Dogs don't kiss, lions don't kiss, elephants don't kiss. Even our closest primate relatives barely do it. Chimps almost never press lips together. Here's the strangest part. Only about 46% of human cultures studied worldwide practice romantic kissing. Over half of societies throughout history never did this at all. If it were hardwired into us, you'd expect it everywhere. It isn't, and your lips are packed with thousands of nerve endings more sensitive than your fingertips. Why would evolution build something this sensitive for an act with no clear survival purpose? In 2007, evolutionary psychologist Dr. Gordon Gallup proposed kissing is actually a hidden biological test. When you kiss someone, your brain reads their scent, taste, and pheromones, silently checking genetic compatibility through something called the MHC, genes tied to immune function. Kissing also triggers oxytocin, the same bonding hormone released during childbirth, along with dopamine and a drop in stress hormones. Your body treats it like a chemical bonding ritual, not a random habit. But not everyone agrees. Some anthropologists think kissing didn't start as romance at all. It started as parenting. Ancient mothers likely passed chewed food mouth to infants, a practice still seen in some cultures today. That intimate mouth contact between parent and child may have been repurposed later into romantic affection. This would explain why kissing isn't universal. It's cultural, not instinctual, spreading through some societies and never taking hold in others. Clean explanation, mystery solved. Almost. Here's what neither theory fully explains. Even in cultures without a kissing tradition, when people are introduced to it, it almost always sticks instantly. If it were purely learned, it should feel as arbitrary as a foreign handshake. It doesn't. Something about the nerve density, the oxytocin rush, the vulnerability of it, taps into something deeper than culture alone. Maybe kissing isn't just biology or just culture. Maybe it's both, colliding. An ancient survival instinct borrowed from motherhood, repurposed by evolution into a hidden compatibility test, then wrapped in centuries of tradition until we forgot what it really was. Two people, one moment. But underneath it, your body is quietly asking a question you're not even aware of. Are you safe? Are you someone I should trust? Maybe that's why it still feels the way it does. If your brain enjoyed peeling back a mystery like this one, that's kind of the whole point of this channel. Hit subscribe, and let's keep peeling.